Hello everyone, I hope that everyone is doing very well. Here I'm Suraj, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can add the page number at any specific page, or you can give the page number from any page from wherever you want. Okay, so if you are writing a research paper or if you're writing a dissertation or the thesis, you may often get this problem that you want to give the page number from any specific page, but when you add the page number, it always start from the first page. Okay, so if you are getting this problem, then this video is for you, and after watching this video I hope that you will never face this problem again. Okay, so you can see that I have opened a word file over here. So the first page is the cover page. Okay, so the next page is certificate page, the next page is declaration page, contents of the table, introductions, abstract, introductions, and other page are there will. Okay, so if we want to add the page number, then we'll have to go to the insert, then we'll have to click on the page number. Okay, then choose anyone from this. Okay, so I'll choose the bottom of the page, then I'll click here. So you can see that page number has started from the first page. Okay, see the number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. Okay, number 8, number 9. Okay, so but I don't want to give the page number in the first 5 pages. I want to give the page number from the introduction page. So for that I will have to go to the introduction. Okay, so I will go to the introduction page since I want to give the page number from the introduction page. So we'll have to go to that page from where we want to give the page number. So I will give the page number from introduction page. So I will have to go to the introduction page. Okay, so here I have come to the introduction page. Then I will have to click on the top of the left corner. Okay, so here I will click, this is the introduction page. Okay, so here I will click here, top of the left corner. Okay, so after clicking this, now you will have to go to the insert, then you will get this break page. So if you don't get this, then you will have to go to the page layout. Okay, so after click on the page layout, you will get this option breaks. Okay, so click here, just click on the next page. Okay, section breaks, next page, click here. So after clicking this next page, okay, just go to the insert option, then go to the page number. Okay, then go to the bottom of the page, select anyone. So I'll choose this one. Okay, then again you can see that here page number 6 is page number 6 is there. Okay, so I want to give the page number 1 for in the introduction page, since I want to start the page number from introduction. Okay, so for that, so after click on the page number, just click there link to previous. Okay, so I'll click there, link to previous, this option will come. Okay, link to previous, click there, just click there. Then after clicking this, again go to the insert and go to the page number, then click on the right click button. Okay, after clicking on the right click button, you will get this option. Okay, just click on the format page number and click on start at. So start at 1, here 1, you can see that 1. So start at 1, click OK. So you can see that in the introduction part, page number 1 has come. Okay, page number 2, page number 3, next page number 4. Okay, so from the introduction part, now page number has started. Okay, but you can also see that here page number 5 is there just above the introduction part. Okay, so you can just manually remove this, just remove this page, just remove this page manually. Okay, after removing this, you can see that here there is no page number in the first 5 pages. This is the cover page. See, this is the cover page, there is no page number. This is the certificate page, no page number is there. No page number in the declaration form, no page number in the table of the contents, no page number in the abstract, and page number has started from the introduction part. Okay, see here, page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, page number 4, page number 5. So if you follow this step, you can definitely do this, you can definitely solve this problem. But still, if you get this problem, then you can ask me in the comment section. I will definitely help you. So thank you so much, thanks for watching this video.